All right, so for this problem, you're going to need to write your own inequality. So the key here is it said y must be at most. So at most means less than or equal to. And the reason that means less than or equal to, if I say I have at most $20, that means I have up to $20. So I have $20 or less. If I say I have at least means greater than or equal to, because that means if I say I have at least $20, I have $20 or more. So we want a less than or equal to, and it says 4 greater than twice the value of x. So twice the value of x and 4 more than that. So we need a solid line, so let's get rid of A and C. And we also need to shade below because it's less than. Well, B is shaded above, D is shaded below, so the correct answer is D. I could check it and see that it's at 4, and then I'm going to go up to, right 1, up to, right 1.